Have you ever listed your property hoping for a quick contract, but you end up being disappointed at how long it actually took to sell? So, is it you or them? Hi, I'm Karen Jones, and I'd like to arm you with the tools you need to manage your expectations when it comes to selling your home and the timeframes involved. By the time you make the decision to put your property on the market, you're usually ready for a quick sale at a great price. This is where the skills of a seasoned real estate agent come into play. A good agent will sit with you and discuss your needs and desires when selling your property. A great agent will set realistic timeframes and price expectations according to the current market and industry experience. I've found generally that the best offer on your home usually presents itself in the first 6 weeks of marketing. It's no secret that an overpriced home takes longer to sell. On the flip side, neither do you want to short sell yourself by having the price set too low. You can have great expectations of your agent when true desires are discussed and smart marketing strategies employed. You may need to move with the ebbs and flows of the market, but there's no need to stress about the finer details, as a competent agent will handle all of this for you. In his book Great Expectations, Charles Dickens wrote, "Ask no questions and you'll be told no lies." I invite you to ask me the hard questions and I will tell you no lies. I'd love the opportunity to discuss how best to sell your home with great expectations.